Hello everyone. I just wanted to come on and do a quick little video because fall finally arrived here in North Texas. Yes. So one of the things I pulled out this morning I wanted to show you because I wanted to remind you Merit never has sales, but they have a sale 20% off right now. And I wanted to show you, I kind of did a teaser on this before. This is one of my new ones that I bought, and it's called Court. It's a matte lipstick, and it is a warm red. And I am wearing it today with just a nude lip liner. I'm fixing to head out to another doctor's appointment. Yay! But I wanted to show you, Thanksgiving is in a couple of days, and I wanted to show you a few of things that I've decorated here in the apartment with that I'm absolutely loving. So hold on, we're going to go over here to the kitchen real quick, and I'm going to turn it around so you can see. All right, so first of all, right here is, of course, I've got a candle, and then I have a glass little pumpkin plate that I found at TJ Maxx. This is a little brown vase and hydrangeas that are in the rust color. I got to go for my new dining table. I'm going to show you in just a second. But you'll see what's there instead of right now. And then, of course, the turkey platter, and then the little thankful sign. So not doing a whole bunch in here, just enough. I do have a little pumpkin over there in my coffee stand. I do have, I love this. This reminds me of fall. This is a bowl. This is, my cousin bought me. And if you know the pattern, if you know what that is, let me see if I can get it. I don't know if I can get it here or not unless I take it out, but these are, you can find them sometimes at estate sales, but it's the Texas wear, and these were very popular decades ago. So if you know those, you know, but I thought it was a gorgeous fall color for that. And then I did find a wooden pumpkin cutting board, and then I put some little, I had these last year, little flowers there, and then there's, let me see, there's a little pumpkin right there. And then, of course, these are my summer and fall wildflowers that are up there. But let me show you, oh, there is a wreath I found at HomeSense, and it was on the half price thing, and it's very soft colors, but it still has the little fall leaves in them, and I thought it was really pretty. Of course, down there at the end of the hall, I have a little wreath as well, and I have one on the front door. But here it is. Here it is, my table and chairs. So I found this on Wayfair, and I just fell in love with it. Patrick and I put it together, but it really flowed in with the living room furniture, and then our little bar stools that we have here as well too. But the flowers, I got these, we had a Friendsgiving a week ago, and one of the ladies brought these to me, and they were just so gorgeous. And the sunflowers, of course, I love them. So, and then the rust colored flowers. So when these kind of die off, I'll replace them with those right over there. So let me show you what I've done here for simple, very, very simple and understated little ivory colored placemats in circular. My china plates that are trimmed in silver, and then these fall, but it's fall colors, but not necessarily fall on the napkins, so they'll suffice for other things as well too. And then I did find these on Amazon. I found the napkins on Amazon as well too, and I'll put links down there below, but I thought those were just enough touch for that. But you've already seen in the last video what I've done in the living room here with my little pumpkins and plants and stuff. But you know, everybody loves fall foliage. Well, let me show you my fall foliage. One of the things about this apartment was because I'm up level with the trees. So this is my view out one of the windows. Can you see? Of course, it's through the blinds. There you go. But I have all these leaves that are turning the beautiful colors, as well as this side as well. Let's go out here in the patio so you can see a really good look at this. It's so pretty. I love this. This makes me smile so much. Look at those trees blowing in the wind. We had 81 degrees yesterday, and it's 50 degrees right now, and winds are bringing it down to 40 degrees. So yeah, loving these fall colors. In my apartment, just the colors that I have done in here just kind of flow, make the fall flow right into it. Whoops. So very happy with this. So let me turn it back around. All right, I've got to get going. Like I said, I've got a doctor's appointment, but I just wanted to come on here and say hi and show you my beautiful fall colors. So remember, ladies, what I tell you every single day, to get up and show up, because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day. Oh, and I did brown on my nails. It almost looks like poop. Oh well, it'll come off in a couple of days when red comes home for Christmas season. See ya.